Today we will all get to experience the romantic city of Florence. In complete contrast from where most of us reign from, Florence is an Italian city that is rich with history and art. Every street and building has its own story of significance. Art and creativity from hundreds of years ago is everywhere. And right in front of us here stands the Basilica of Santa Croce that houses an impressive 16 different chapels. Now, Florence was the centre of medieval European trade and finance and one of the wealthiest cities in that era. Florence is also well known for its leather. Well, Claire certainly looks fantastic in that lovely leather jacket. I'm not sure if she purchased it, but I know a lot of us snuck out away from the leather factory to take a walk through the beautiful city of Florence that today has a population of 708,000 people. And we here are just a handful of the 16 million tourists they have visit this city every year. And probably the most famous building here of all is the Florence Cathedral, or as the Italians know it, the Duomo. And it's so big that it took 140 years to finish. And even though it's constantly under restoration and additions, it is definitely as stunning as it was almost 600 years ago. So, with so much to see in this beautiful city, it took our whole afternoon to take it all in. And after taking in the sun all afternoon, well, the opposite totally took us by surprise.
said. It'll be fun, they said.
Well, I guess you could say the rain drained out a bit of Florence for the day, but it certainly didn't drain our confidence of the fact that we had a great day here in Florence. Now this here trolley train took us right into the Leaning Tower of Pisa. Give us a wave.
Yeah, exactly.
Hello, umbrella. Hi, guys. Guys.
Give us a wave.
Mark. Mark.
And we're talking with Michael here. And what was your dream, Michael? What was your dream?
My
As a
dream
child.
is as a child, I like to come here.
To
Pisa.
Pisa.
Yeah.
And you're finally here.
I'm finally here.
So 2 dreams in one day.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah, lovely.
You've made it to Pisa.
made
You're
it
sitting
now.
next to me.
Exactly. I'm a producer.
Yeah.
I'm a director.
You're the producer and director
Yes. Susan.
of me. Wow.
It's on film now, you can't take that.
Yeah, that's right.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Say hello to Australia. And
Hello to our
And,
Australians and the New Zealand
thank
friends
you
and
to-
all of us Cosmo friends.
thank you to Travel Bug Sue.
Exactly. Everyone.
Thank you to Travel Bug Sue.
Thank you for travel buses.
We're going to take it straight up.
Thank you.
And what a beautiful sight to walk into on a beautiful day. Although I must say it does turn into a bit of a comedy, watching everyone, including myself, trying to hold the tower, push the tower, lean on the tower. So I invite you to have a look.
Back. Stop. Now back a little bit. It's a bit hard to see in this light. Yeah. No, forward. Just a little bit. Put your hands forward. Forward. Can anyone see that?
No, you too.
You're a mile away.
Hang on, I'll try and match in with your with the hands.
So, I can't see you.
So we're here in Pisa. If you want to see something funny, you want to see 500 people try and move the bloody building. They're all trying it.
No, it was right in that shade.
Oh, don't give up now.
The Leaning Tower of Pisa, or simply the Tower of Pisa, is a freestanding bell tower of the Cathedral of the Italian city of Pisa. Known worldwide for its nearly 4-degree lean, the result of an unstable foundation. Bit like myself, really. No, I'm joking.
Now will you go above and push? Yeah, hands up straight. No, darling, you've got to be more like this, darling.
Lean over him.
Move your top arm straight. Switzerland all over. Now hands have got to be up, up, up.
Higher. Oh, I can't stretch
Yeah, push further.
I'm pulling my heavies.
You feel stupid now?
Yes, I always feel stupid, so it doesn't worry me.
Oh, don't be like, don't put yourself down, Ian. Let me do it.
Listen to me. I'm happy to be like that.
Yeah, that's right. People just walk right in front.
What are you doing?
Straighten your hands.
Keep your hands up, way high. Way high.
Hello. Cheese.